Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Sign into the Google account tied to the channel and open YouTube Studio. Once you're there, click Customize to reach the layout, branding, and basic info sections. You want a ready bio draft, aim for clear voice, key links, and a 100 to 500 character limit in mind. Make sure channel ownership and permissions are confirmed so you can edit. If you manage multiple channels, verify the correct one. Otherwise, you'll edit the wrong profile and lose time. Now head to Basic Info and click the pencil icon beside description to edit your bio. Type or paste your prepared text, then refine with natural keywords so viewers and search can find you. Add your channel country and scroll to links to add full URLs. Include link titles for clarity. Once done, preview how the first 100 characters look on mobile. Make sure descriptions and links follow YouTube policies. Removal happens if you include disallowed content. Finish by clicking Publish and then view your public channel to confirm the bio displays as intended. Check mobile and desktop views. If changes don't appear right away, clear browser cache, wait a few minutes, or open an incognito window to force refresh. If you can't save edits, verify account status, strikes, unverified email, or insufficient permissions for managers often block changes. As a last step, re-edit small portions and republish. This often resolves propagation delays without extra steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.